Welcome back to the GScatter Complete Guide series. In this video, we'll look at weight mask. This topic is part of the effects layer section, so if you're new, make sure you've watched the earlier videos first. Weight mask in GScatter lets you control where objects can scatter and how strong that scattering is on different parts of a surface. To create a weight mask, select the scatter system you want to affect. Open the Add Effect layer drop-down and add a weight mask. Then switch to Weight Paint mode. Now you can paint directly on the surface using the brush. While painting, you'll see 4 colors. Red is the strongest influence, so objects scatter fully based on the current density. Yellow is medium influence, so fewer objects appear. Green is low influence, so only a small number of objects are scattered. Blue means no influence, so nothing is scattered in those areas. This color system lets you define multiple scatter zones on a single surface without needing extra geometry or separate mask. You can also control the weight value. When the weight is set to 0, it works like an eraser and removes any painted influence. You can change the brush size using the radius slider and adjust how strong the brush is with the strength setting. In the same way, you can adjust the settings for the brush, stroke, fall-off and cursor options to get more precise control while painting. For this example, I'll paint a path running through the meadow. Then I'll use the invert button to flip the effect. I'll also apply the same weight mask to all my scatter systems. Once you're done painting, switch back to object mode using the brush icon. This is the final render, and that's how weight masks work in GScatter. Thank you for watching.